What's up everybody, Biker Dave here. This is a key from a 2013 Ford Focus ST, but this would apply to many different Ford Focus models and possibly other Ford models. If you need to replace the battery inside, you look at it and it's like not very obvious how to open it up. So let me show you what to do. First you have to take out the emergency key that's inside here. So just push on this corners right here and that little end will start to pop up as you see right there, and then just pull that open and you have to remove that little key inside first. There you see the key is, and you have to remove this key first. You can just pry it out with a small screwdriver. Pretty easy to do. Okay, next you need a very slim small screwdriver or a pick of some sort. I'm just using a little home door key. And then you poke it right in the front right there, and then you push that forward and it'll start to split apart up at the top. See how it starts to split apart? If it'll focus. It starts to split right there as you wedge a small key or something, it needs to be very slim to fit right in the top of it there. Then you can poke your regular screwdriver into where it starts to split open and just pry the whole thing open and you'll see the battery. And there it is. The battery will be, it is a little 2032. I'll put a link down below where you can get these on Amazon. It's a little watch battery basically. And you'll need a very small pick device. I used like a tiny pair of scissors, something small, because it's not easy to get the battery out of there, but you just have to come on the corner of it there and just pop the battery out. I just used a tiny pair of scissors and just popped underneath it there, and then the battery will flip out of there. And make sure you put the new one in the same way. Notice the inscription goes face down like that. Okay, so you don't put it in with the label facing up to you, it will not work. Has to be face down like this. Okay, and that's it, and then put it back together. It's pretty obvious from there. You just put it together and just wedge it together and push it. It'll click together when it's good. That's all there is to it. Make sure it works. It works. And then put your key back in. The key has to kind of go down in a little slot, then push it in place, and then notice it has little hooks on the cover right there, so it needs to go slightly forward and then back. Excuse me, I'm doing this one-handed. I'm not at home, so I don't have my tripod with me. Okay, and you'll notice it's kind of popped up in the front. Push it down, and that's all there is to it. Ford wants to make sure you take this key to the dealership to have this done, obviously, because it's not as easy as some other key fobs. Check out other videos. We've got tons of stuff on our channel about fixing cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, motorcycles, cool stuff around the house. Over 1,500 videos, and look for our social media links in the description. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video screen, because YouTube is completely free. But if any YouTube video helps you, make sure that you click the thanks button underneath. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.